had your own Pete, Wentz, and Patrick combined, writing your songs and singing them all like every single day. Tour brings that special pain. So fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. I believe it not in you and me, so fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. I believe it not in you and me, so I'd unfuck you if I could. Ooh, I'd love you like I should have. Months before I did, and the months before I split, it's turbulent, turbulent. I'd unfuck you if I could. Ooh, I'd love you like I should have. Months before I did, and the months before I split, it's turbulent, turbulent. You had your own Austin night. Hi. He texted back fast and he made you laugh. Yeah, you must be out of your mind. Well, I know you are. Let's see where to start. How about the messages that you still send? Even though I blocked your number and I never fucking answer, my anxiety was turbulent and permanent. You gave me hell on earth and said to work with it. So fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. I believe it not in you and me, so fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. I believe it not in you and me, so I'd unfuck you if I could. Ooh, I'd love you like I should have. Months before I did, and the months before I split, it's turbulent, turbulent. I'd unfuck you if I could. Ooh, I'd love you like I should have. Months before I did, and the months before I split, it's turbulent, turbulent. You had a taste of the life, but you grew complacent and the sanity laced itself up in the back of your mind, and that's where you left me to die.
A light comes to me through open fingers, scared of reaching. Gold against the curtains of my eyes, and two starlight beams that peel back this lucid sadness to free these arms and teach them how to fly. One glimpse of